Hello guys, welcome back. So in the last lecture, you have learned a lot of things about images and links, right? So I'm going to main page. So now we need to get prepared to something before going into CSS. Okay. So whatever I teach you now is pretty much important in terms of your CSS. Okay. From now on, I'm going to explain some things related to we say HTML and some things related to CSS because we haven't covered everything in HTML. Okay, so first let me go to Apple page. Okay, so here uh, if it wants to be more attractive, sometimes we need to make some things bold and we need to make some things italic and so on, right? So for suppose uh, here in the Apple, you can see Apple is a well reputed company. It sells many quality products. So if you want to highlight this quality products into bold, so how to do that? App quality products into bold. So let me go to apple.html and you can see quality products. It sells many quality products. Okay. So how to bold this? Okay, only this thing, not the whole um, paragraph, but to do that, surround the thing which you want to make it bold by strong tag. Okay, this is a new tag which you need to remember, strong. So okay, surround this quality product with strong. Okay, save this and go to the main page, reload this, go to Apple, and you can see here quality products is getting bold. Okay, so this is a kind of styling. We do not say it's styling, but yeah, this is something which you need to know because uh, in most of the we say website web pages, you will see these kind of things. So we are going to read, and whenever there is something important, it's going to have that in bold. So it is important for us to know how to make a word or two to a bold. Okay, and next we have sometimes we have this font change, okay, to italic, like that. So if you want to make this Apple website um, to something uh, italic, okay, you have to use some tag. So search for Apple website here. Yeah, here you can see, and surround it with en. Okay, surround the Apple website with en and save this. You can reload this page again. It's not en. Basically en means English, right? So it's em. Remember that. Don't get confused. It's em. Save this and reload this page, and you can see here Apple website is in a different font. Okay, so these are some things which you need to learn in HTML page again. Okay, okay, these are some things. Okay, and if you see a typical HTML page, you will see some heading over here, and below that heading you can see that some navigations like home, support, um, management system, some navigation keys over here, right? In technical terms, those are called navigation keys. So let me create some navigation keys for this Apple page. Okay, so first of all, I have a heading H3. Let it be H3, and the heading would be Apple page. Okay, and below that, let me have some navigations. So how to give navigations? By using href. Okay, href, I'll refer to the same page because it's, right, how to give, how to create new pages. I mean, href should be in anchor tag, so you know how to navigate between two pages. So I'll not waste your time by creating different pages. Okay, you already know that how to create. So I'm referring to the same page, home. So next anchor tag. So it is also navigating to the same page. Mm, let it be products. Okay, another anchor tag. Now it is also referring to the same page, home, products, sales, suppose, some things. Okay, and sales, products, sales, um, support, and the last thing would be contact. So these are some of the examples which you can see, right? Hash, so contact us, fine. So let me save this and reload this. Here you can see Apple page is the heading. So let me have this heading to h2 so that it would look a bit more. Yeah, Apple page, fine. So Apple page, and these are the navigations. Whenever I click on that, those will be navigated to the same page because I have referred it to hash. If you want to navigate it to some other page, you can very well give those links over here in place of hash. You know that, right? Like this. If you click on the main page, it will again go to main page, fine. So this is something called header. So we have these things. Okay, so before HTML5 we do not have such things, but after introduction to HTML5 we have such things like header, footer, article, um, and so many things which you are going to learn now. Okay, so whenever you see such links, keep it under navigation. Okay, so this is something we are getting prepared before introducing CSS actually. Okay, so these you should know. Okay, you have all these links bundled together. So let all these links get under navigation tag. Okay, I mean navigation tag. So let this navigation tag be in here. So let me save this. So there will not be any change in the um, website here. If you reload this, there will not be any change, but it's always a best practice to write all the navigations which are in header in the nav tab. Okay, so you will get to know why we have used all this stuff. Okay, but remember, it's important to specify such things from HTML5 onwards. Before HTML5, wherever, like whatever you want to divide, you just used div tag. Okay, div tag, we are even using this div tag now. You will gonna see this usage in the later on sections, but for now remember, instead of using div from HTML5 onwards, there are some keywords like header, footer, navigations, article, and so on. So let me remove this. So from the header, whatever the navigation keys you have here, give the naming convention as nav. For that, surround it with nav tag, and this whole thing is called header. Okay, like a techie, if you want to know something, the whole thing here is called the header. Okay, so let me name from here, from h2 to navigation, let me name it as header. Okay, so this is called header. header. Okay, fine. So surround the whole header under header. Mm, yeah, let me save this, and you see no changes over here. Even if I reload, the same thing will be, whatever I do now, there will not be any change um, in the website. Okay, in the web page which I have created, there will not be any changes, but these are important to learn before learning the css. Okay, so you need to remember all these things. And if you see a typical html page, you will see some footer down here. So since this is a very small page, we haven't created much. Okay, we have created only small pages. So um, if we have explained the concepts from the starting, and if we haven't deleted all the content, then it would be a very large web page. Okay, but I have deleted content so that it would be more clear for you topic wise. Okay, in some of the teachings, if you follow some of the other teachings, there you can see a whole website is getting created, and they're gonna say this tag is used for this tag is used for this, and they'll leave the web page as it is. There you can see a big web page is getting created, but in our lectures, I don't want you to get confused, so I have deleted every time I have explained a single topic. So that is why we do not have a large web page. Okay, so now for every web page there is a footer which states that thanks for visiting our website, and a copyright symbol or something. Okay, so let me write something at the end. Okay, after reference at the end, let me break this. Okay, and let me add some paragraph, or you can just add as it is, like thanks for visiting our Apple page. Okay, and copyright by Jelf Study 2021. Okay, copyright by Jelf Study 2021. Suppose. Okay, at last I have created this. So let me reload this. At the end, you can see. So instead of copyright over here, you can give copyright symbol. Okay, so how to give a copyright symbol? It's very simple. So in place of copyright, I'll give copyright symbol. Just give ampersand. Okay, copy colon. Fine. Now save this and reload this. You can see copyright by Jelf Study. So this is something called footer. This will be at the very end of page. So surround this by footer. Okay, footer. So let me cut this and surround it over here. Okay, so let me save this. Let me reload this. There will not be any changes over here. So and this is the footer, and from here to here this is the header, and in between we have something called article. So this is all an article. So let me surround the remaining of header and footer with article. Okay, article. So let me cut this and paste it over the end of article before footer, before break itself. I'll just add this. Let me save this. Let me reload this. There will not be any changes over here. Okay, so the only thing here is it's getting some spaces, and you no need to worry about that because it's differentiating between a um, header, footer, and here article. Okay, so since there are no changes, you may have some doubt, like why are we adding this uselessly. You may think that, but trust me, I'm preparing you for the CSS thing. Okay, so whenever you create a web page, make sure you have a header, you have a footer, you have a article, and if in the header page you have different links like home, product, sales, support, and so on, make sure you keep all those links inside a nav tag. Okay, and also you can, in this lecture you have seen how to create this strong, how to create em things, and so on, right? So in this whole section you have seen all these things. So from the next section onwards, from the next lecture onwards, we are going to see some real CSS coding. Fine. So yes guys, from the next lecture we are going to enter the CSS coding, and thanks for watching. Let's meet up in the next lecture.